Let AI do it for you, part 1. Welcome to my 10-part series where I talk about different AI tools that would make your life easier as a student, as a writer, or as a researcher. And on this episode, we're going to be talking about PaperPal. Now, do me a favor, please tag PaperPal in the comment section, and I want them to see this video because I've used the free version and I was able to achieve some things which I will discuss shortly, but I do want to have access to the paid version so I can tell you guys what it is capable of doing. PaperPal, your girl is ready. So guys, let's dive into it. What were the things I was able to do? Number one, I was able to use it for paraphrasing. Now, what I loved most about using this for paraphrasing is how easy the GUI is. It's quite easy to use. You copy, you paste, you ask it to paraphrase. As simple as that. Another incredible thing about it is the tone to which you want the paraphrased word to be. You can decide that whether you want it to be academic or you just want it to be normal. So that means if you're writing an academic paper or an academic essay, you can choose that option, and that really makes it incredible because that tone is very important. Number two, I asked it a question. So I feel like this is an incredible thing that PaperPal can do. Now, what that means is if you have a research question, you can pop it into PaperPal to ask it, hey PaperPal, what's up? This is my research question. And what it would do is bring you articles that can answer that question. Why I find this incredible is because that means if you're writing a literature review and you ask it your research question and it gives you those answers, those are some of the articles that you can include in your included studies. Why I find this incredible is that if you're writing a literature review and you ask your research question and it brings out the answer with the articles, that means those articles can be part of your included studies, and that sort of streamlines or increases your productivity when it comes to having to set different databases. That gives you a head start. So that's a plus for PaperPal. Aside that, those references, those academic citations that you have there, they are correct. This is why it is better than ChatGPT. The references are correct. Not just that. Now, those references, you can decide what style you want the citation to be. Do you want it in APA format? Do you want it in MLA format? Do you want it in Chicago format? Do you want it in Harvard format? You get to choose that. And then it just corrects that for you, which makes your referencing easy. And if you're somebody who doesn't use a referencing software before now, this is also a cheat code for you. You just copy and paste the reference. That makes it super duper easy for you. Number three, I got to use it for similarity score. Now, you know that in academia, plagiarism is a big deal. You do not want to go to plagiarism jail. It is a big deal. Now, when you have your essay written, you can chalk it